Luis Mago, business strategist. For over 18 years, I've been helping CEOs, entrepreneurs, and leaders achieve their goals. How? Using strategy and strategic planning, developing plans that you can then execute exactly on time and deliver the result that these leaders want. Now, I'm in a new mode. I'm doing and providing solutions, potential solutions to world problems. Today's topic is the lack of leadership that we are all experiencing. The lack of leadership. Is it interesting that out of the 192 countries in the world, only 20 are led by women? Out of the 514 companies, only 12 are women CEOs. 12 women CEOs only out of 500 companies. And in the House of Representatives, 74 women are members of it. Now, the data is there. The data says that women are more intelligent, more compassionate, more creative, more honest, and more decisive than men. It's there. That's the data. So why aren't we having more women in leadership positions? Well, the challenge are the barriers. The opportunities are there, but the barriers that men are putting is staggering. So this is the solution for all of us to put our egos aside, to create ways for women to take these leadership positions and train women very fast to lead us. Because I believe that that leadership will help us solve many problems around the world. I hope that you like this solution. I hope that we can implement it, and maybe the solution will help you, or maybe it will help me.